Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn that how you can set a user's account as private. So as you can see, this is our mobile application anime type, and this is the main branch, and this is in production mode. So we are watching the live mobile application that is in Play Store, the building process and all the basic components that are aligned with the backend as well. This is a complete mobile application. I am explaining the ready-made mobile application to you. Now you can see that in other users profile page there is this account is private option. So how you can do it? So if the user has set about the account, if the account has been set as private, then it should show, and this other things should not appear, like the posts of the user should not be public if the account is private. So how we can do this? So at first, coming to the widget tree, we are using a column. There are several conditions. For now we will ignore it because we are focusing on the account is private. So just create a row in your widget tree, and in user document, like here, you have come here and add in your schema, add a variable like private profile, and this should be boolean. As you can see, so what we will do, just create a UI like this user interface. We have taken a container. In this container we are taking a row, and we are adding simply an icon and a text that this account is private. There is nothing else. As you can see that there are no other actions or nothing like backend. And in this container we have added border color as yellow, so this highlights like a neon light, and we will simply make this row conditional. If the user has set the profile as private, as you can see that the user document means this user document, and we are, if the profile is private equal to true, only then we will show this row. And at the same time we have to hide this because the others should not be able to see the posts at the same time. So what we will do, we will simply add another condition here. If the account is private equal to true, as you can see here is a post visibility option. I have made it a little bit complex because I have added so many features in settings. So if you do it like, if the private profile option equal to false, only then this column should appear like this, because this column includes all the widgets of the posts. As you can see, if I make the conditional visibility as false, then you can see that posts are private for this account. And this is also again a same UI. At the same time I have created a stack and in this stack I have taken the column which includes all the post widgets. And here in the container, if the post visibility is false, like if post visibility equal to false, then this account is private. And that's all about the view profile page of others. uh, at the same time we can create settings. As you can see, in settings we have privacy settings. If we go to the privacy settings option, then you can see that we have created so many, we have given the user so many options to customize their profile. Make profile private. If the user ticks it, then the profile will be private and no other options, like no other posts of this profile will be visible for public. Also you can see that there are too many options. Everyone can see my post. As you can see there that there is post visibility option. Everyone can see my post equal to true or false. That will depend um, on the post visibility. So come here again, but in the yeah, view profile page of others. Again, if private profile equal to true, then we should show this. And post visibility equal to false. So why we have added only post visibility equal to false? Why we have not uh, put the action logic, conditional logic, like post is like account is private or not? We will discuss in the next video. Okay, so we will discuss about the settings of this page. We will come to the settings page and like privacy settings, and why we have used private profile, and why we have used everyone can see my post differently. We will explain in the next video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.